Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. Elon Musk won't sell his Bitcoin, reveals what assets to hold during high inflation. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, revealed what assets he thinks it's good to hold when inflation is high while saying he won't sell his BTC, ETH, and Doge. The world's richest man Elon Musk took it to Twitter to reveal that the company he spearheads, Tesla, is coming under pressure from the increasing inflation. He also shared his opinion on what assets it's better to own when inflation goes up. In a recent tweet, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX shared that both companies are coming under pressure from the increasing inflation, resulting in high commodity prices. Musk posted an article from the Financial Times discussing the fact that global commodity prices are on track to see the biggest weekly rally in over 50 years as a result of the war between Russia and Ukraine. High inflation numbers are also reflected in the U.S. Consumer Price Index. The country's Bureau of Labor Statistics released the numbers on March 10, and the index that's largely used to gauge inflation came in at 7.9%, the highest in decades. Commenting under Musk's post was the CEO of MicroStrategy Michael Saylor, who said, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. Musk responded that it's not surprising that Saylor would reach that conclusion. To his point, Saylor's company does hold over 125,000 BTC, and he is one of the cryptocurrency's most vocal supporters. Nevertheless, Musk also shared his thoughts on what assets he thinks is good to hold under the current predicament. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. He also outlined that he still owns, and has no plans of selling his Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. And second news today is Elon Musk won't sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoins as inflation soars and recession risk grows. Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk has reiterated his commitment to holding his stack of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Dogecoin, Doge, when preaching to his more than 77 million Twitter followers about ways to hedge against inflation. In a recent Twitter post, Musk asked the Twitter community to share their thoughts about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. He then added that the inflation pressure is already affecting Tesla and SpaceX, as prices of raw materials keep rising. In response, Bitcoin bull and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor speculated that United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, while asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify, Saylor added. Adding to that, Musk said that it is usually better to own physical objects or stock in companies that make good products than fiat currencies when inflation is high. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.0000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.0000132, with an expected price of $0.0000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.0000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.0000192, a low price of $0.0000186, and an expected price of $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027. Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028. The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important